New York City, make some noise, black family. Dr. UMR Johnson in the building. Always good to come to Brooklyn, always good to come to New York City. We come here today to stand in solidarity with our Haitian brothers and sisters who are our African brothers and sisters. Make no mistake, what is happening in Haiti is not an accident. It is intentional. It is political interference and economic manipulation.
That's right.
It is a joint effort by the government of France and the government of the United States of America.
There you go.
It is an act of genocide. It is not simply political interference and economic sabotage. The United States of America wants to purge